you want to learn how to solve this problem, you should continue watching. I'm Jess from SimNeverlock, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock an iPhone when you have the SIM not valid or SIM not supported problem. When you have this problem, it means that your iPhone is locked to a certain carrier. So when you put a SIM card from another carrier, the iPhone will not work. So today, I will show you step by step how to unlock an iPhone that is locked to a carrier and has the SIM not valid or SIM not supported problem. Before you unlock, you must know the IMEI number of the iPhone. Now, there are two cases with a locked iPhone. Sometimes it is locked to this menu, and you can't actually do anything with it. Or, in the second case, if you remove the SIM card and restart the iPhone, you can use it normally. If you're stuck in this menu, you can find the IMEI number by clicking back and then click on the blue info button on the bottom right corner. This will show the IMEI number on your screen. Now, write down the IMEI number, and you will have to use another phone to do the unlocking. My iPhone does not have that case, and when I remove the SIM card and restart it, I can actually use the iPhone. So I'm going to show you another way to get the IMEI number. So the easiest way is to open up the dialer and dial *#06#. This will show the IMEI number on your screen. Another way to find the IMEI number is to open the Settings menu, go to General, and under the About tab, you will find the IMEI number listed. You can also find the IMEI number on the SIM tray slot on the iPhone itself or on the back of the factory box. Okay, we found the IMEI number and we have written it down. And now we're going to do the unlocking. You can do this from the iPhone itself, or if you have the case where you can't use it, simply use another phone to unlock. So head over to SimNeverlock.com. This is the website where we do the unlocking. Write down your email address, the IMEI number of your iPhone, and the phone version. Then make sure that everything is correct and click on Unlock. It will take around 2 minutes for the servers to confirm your request. Once that is done, this is the final step, which is verification. So click on I'm Not a Robot, and a list of apps from the App Store will show up. Now, choose one of the apps and follow the instructions given for installation. This is a very important step, so make sure that you do it correctly. Otherwise, you'll have to start all over again. I'm going to install one of the apps and run it for about 30 seconds, like the instructions say. Okay, I ran the app for 30 seconds and did my verification. Now it's time to put a SIM card in the iPhone and see if it works. As you can see, my iPhone recognized the new SIM card and I have signal. This means that I have successfully unlocked this iPhone and now I can use any SIM card I want from any carrier. If this did not work, I suggest you go to the page with apps and try another one. You may also want to wait between 3 to 5 minutes because sometimes there is a delay in the unlocking service. Thank you for watching our video and we hope you learned something new today. Before you leave, please hit the subscribe button, and if you face any problems, feel free to leave a comment. Till next time, bye!